In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add deal tags on HubSpot Sales Hub, a simple yet powerful feature that helps you keep your deals organized, track important details, and manage your sales process more efficiently. Whether you're part of a growing sales team or managing leads on your own, this feature can make a real difference in how clearly you view your pipeline. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and go to hubspot.com. Once you're on the homepage, look at the top right corner and click Login. You'll be taken to the HubSpot login page. Just enter your account credentials and sign in. If you don't already have an account, you can quickly create one for free before moving on. After logging in, you'll land on the HubSpot home dashboard. This is where you can access all your sales, marketing, and service tools. From here, locate the settings icon, which looks like a small gear in the top navigation bar, and click on it. The settings area is like your control center. It allows you to customize and fine-tune how HubSpot works for your team. On the left-hand side, you'll see a sidebar menu. Scroll through until you find objects, then click on it. A drop-down will appear showing several categories. Choose deals. By selecting deals, you're telling HubSpot that you want to adjust the settings related to your sales pipelines. Next, under the deals section, click pipelines. Pipelines are the backbone of your sales system. They show where each deal stands and what actions need to be taken next. Once inside the pipelines area, scroll down or look for the section labeled Deal Tags. This is where the fun part begins. Click on Deal Tags to open the tag management page. Here, you can create new tags or edit existing ones. To add a new tag, simply click the button that says Add Tag or Create Tag. Give your tag a name. For example, High Priority, Returning Customer, or Needs Follow-up. You can also add short descriptions or customize colors to make each tag easy to recognize at a glance. These tags act as quick visual indicators that help your team instantly understand the status or importance of each deal. Whether it's used to highlight hot leads, key accounts, or deals requiring special attention, tags keep your workflow organized and transparent. Once you've added your tags, they'll automatically appear in your deals section across HubSpot. You can apply them directly to individual deals, making it easier to filter, categorize, and prioritize your opportunities. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add deal tags in HubSpot. It's a small step that can bring major improvements to how you manage and monitor your sales process. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out more of our HubSpot guides for easy, practical tips to help you master your CRM tools. Stay organized and happy tagging.